Warm welcome to all my dear friends. Today in this lecture of trigonometry, we are going to study converting radian to degree and degree to radian. And we are going to solve some problems related to it as I have discussed before in the previous lecture that we are going to solve some sums related to it. I have not taught you converting factor between radian to degree and degree to radian, which which I will be teaching you in this lecture. Now let's start. So converting factor between degree into radian is pi radian divided by 180. This is the converting factor between radian and degree. For 0 degree, while converting to radian, we have to multiply this 0 degree into this factor pi by 180. Then we are getting the answer in radian. For this 0 degree will be equal to 0 into pi radian divided by 180. That will be giving us 0 radian. For 30 degrees, multiplying by pi by 180 converting factor, then 30 degrees will be equal to 30 into pi by 180, and finally 30 degrees will be equal to pi by 6. Turning to the next slide. For minus 30 degree, same as it was discussed before in the before slide, multiplying by pi by 180, then we will get minus of 30 degree will be equal to minus of 30 into pi by 180. That will give us minus of pi by 6 radian. And for 45 degrees we will be getting 45 degrees equal to 45 into pi by 180 radian. That will be equivalent to 45 degrees is equal to pi by 4 radian. Now turning to the next slide, we'll solve some more problems. Our fifth problem will be minus of 45 degree. For minus of 45 degree, we'll again multiply it by pi by 180. That is the converting factor. And then we'll get minus of 45 degree is equal to minus of pi by 4 radian. For 60 degree, again 60 degree will be equal to 60 into pi by 180, and 60 degrees will be equal to pi by 3 radian. Now our seventh sum is minus of 60 degrees. Now multiplying this by this converting factor, that is pi by 180, we will be getting minus of 60 degrees is equal to minus of 60 into pi by 180. For minus of 60 degrees, that will be equal to minus of pi by 3. And for minus of 18 degree, we can calculate for any degree. The converting factor will be same as it is, and we can calculate it for 17 degrees, 13 degrees, 12 degrees, or any degree. So here for minus of 18 degrees, that will be equal to minus of 18 into pi by 180. Hence here 18 ones are 18 tens are. So we'll get minus of 18 degrees is equal to minus of pi by 10. Now turning to the next slide. For 90 degrees, minus of 90 degrees, multiplying by pi by 180, that is the converging factor between degree to radian. So negative of 90 degree will be equal to negative of 90 into pi by 180. So we will be getting negative of 90 degrees is equal to minus of pi by 2. And here the sum last 10th sum, that is negative of 10, that will be equal to negative 10 degrees, that will be equal to negative of 10 into pi by 180. And here 1 0 will be get cancelled by this cutting this 1 0, and here we'll be getting negative of 10 degrees, that will be equal to negative of pi by 18. Now turning to the next slide. Here 180 degree, for 180 degree the value will be equal to 180 into pi by 180. Hence here 180 and 180 will be getting cancelled, and we'll be getting 180 degrees is equal to pi radian. And for negative of 180 degrees, same as it is, negative 180 degree is equal to negative of 180 into pi by 180. And here 180 and 180 will be getting cancelled, and we will be getting a final answer, negative of 180 degrees will be equal to negative of pi radian. Now turning to the next slide. For 270 degrees, multiplying factor will be same as it is, pi by 180. 270 degrees will be equal to 270 into pi by 180, and we will be getting 270 degrees, that will be equal to 3 pi by 2. And for our next sum will be 14th sum, negative of 270 degrees, that will be equal to negative of 270 into pi by 180. Hence here after cancelling 0 0 and 19 2 9 2s and 9 3s, will be getting negative of 270 degrees, that will be equal to negative of 3 pi by 2 radian. Now turning to the next slide. Now for 360 degree, that will be equal to 360 into pi by 180, and 18 2s are 36. So this 0 0 will be also getting cancelled, so we will be getting 360 degrees is equal to 2 pi radian. And for negative 360 degrees, that will be equal to negative of 360 into pi by 180. So we'll be getting negative of 360 degrees is equal to negative of 2 pi radian. Thanks for watching this video. For such more videos, you need to subscribe our channel. My channel name is Study with Me. Thank you. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको इस लेक्चर के नोट्स मिल जाएंगे, तो चेक कर लेना.